It was middle of January, the dead of winter. Temperature minus 20 degrees Celsius. I was planning this camping trip for weeks, excited for an adventure. My destination was a campsite 4 hours away from my home. At least that was the plan. I started my journey at 11 a.m., full of energy and excitement, ready to take on the challenge. But Mother Nature had different plans. Weather turned bad, really bad. A drive that should have taken 4 hours turned into 6. Visibility dropped, snow piled up, and road became treacherous. But I kept going, determined to reach my campsite. I was so happy when I reached the trail. It was covered in snow all over the place, looking awesome. Snow was not even deep. I was positive that I will finally get to set up my tent and enjoy camping. I never drove in this much snow before, but I was pushing my limits. And then, disaster. Just when I was almost there, my Jeep got stuck. tried everything, rocking it back and forth, digging out the tires, but nothing worked. I spent nearly an hour in the freezing cold, exhausted, trying to free my vehicle. By the time I got unstuck, I was drained. I haven't had my lunch yet. The snow was relentless, sun was setting fast, winter days are short, darkness was creeping in, but I wasn't going to give up. I had made it this far. That's when I realized my next big mistake. I had no idea what I was doing. I was completely unprepared for this winter. My camping gear, completely unprepared for the winter. A summer tent, no heater, and freezing hands trying to set up tent in the deep snow. I could feel the cold creeping into my bones. Every movement became slower. My fingers barely worked. And then, the worst happened. I heard it. A pack of wolves. Close, too close. My heart started racing. This was no joke. I was in their territory. I didn't think twice. I grabbed everything. No time to pack neatly. I just threw it all into the Jeep and got out of here. I had no choice but to drive back the same night. The drive back was brutal. A full-on snow blizzard. I could barely see the road. Every mile felt like a battle. Exhausted, hungry, cold. I just wanted to get home. When I finally made it back, I was beyond exhausted. It was easily the worst camping experience of my life. But looking back, it was a lesson. Winter camping is no joke. Preparation is everything, and sometimes nature reminds you who's really in charge. Would I try winter camping again? Absolutely, but next time I will be ready. If you're planning a winter camping trip, here's what you actually need: a 4-season tent, reliable heater, proper insulated sleeping gear, and most importantly, check the weather forecast. Learn from my mistake. If you enjoyed this experience, hit that like button, subscribe, and comment what's the craziest outdoor experience you have ever had. See you in the next video. To create the story, I came here to shoot video in the realistic environment, but then I actually stuck.